Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. In this video, we are going to discuss first three bits of problem 4. And the question is, we need to check whether given series is AP or not. We need to find common difference if they are forming AP, means arithmetic progression. And we need to also find three more terms for the given series. Let us now look at this first series and try to find the differences. When you look at these differences, they are not equal. So this series is not in arithmetic progression. Why? Because the difference between any two terms is not equal, not same. It means there is no common difference. Now let us have a look at this second bit and try to find the common difference between any two consecutive terms. Now we got same answer, means between second and first, between third and second, we got same difference. So we can say that this series forms arithmetic progression because there is a common difference. And how much? 1 by 2. And we have the value of a, and using this formula we can calculate the next three terms. What are they? Term 5, term 6 and term 7. So term 5 is 4, term 6 is 4 and a half, term 7 is 5 of this given arithmetic progression for this series. Now let us have a look at this third bit of fourth problem. So if we find difference between two consecutive numbers, we will get same answer, -2 and -2. So since there is a common difference, this series forms arithmetic progression and the common difference is -2. So using this value d and a is equals to -1 by 2, we can find the next three terms using this formula, nth term formula. So our next term t5 is equal to -9.2, t6 is equal to -11.2, t7 is equal to -13.2. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.